Didn't miss that time, did I?
You little brat!
Alright, asshole. Maybe you just misheard me. But I was talking to you!
Hell, I got nothing to lose now. If it's a fight you want, you got one.
I'm ready when you are.
With your wounds, I doubt you'll be alive much longer. I'm interested to see how you use this time.
You can't just keep charging in without a plan.
Slow down. I'm not gonna let you just run in. Start thinking.
Lost another good soldier because of you. Because you know how to think.
What a cheap copy! Pathetic.